Hi. So my morning meeting resource file I made on note cards, and I have them color coordinated and laminated. So it starts out, I have my greetings in the front on my pink cards, and then I have my activities next on my green cards, and in the way back I have my sharing activities on the orange. And then I have about 20 of the greetings and 20 of the activities and about 5 sharing activities. So then on each of the cards, I have the title of the greeting or activity and then a explanation of exactly how that would look in the classroom. So how I would use this in my classroom, it would be a very quick, easy resource to use, just to find a greeting or activity that I wanted to use or to find a quick idea of something that I was looking for. And I am very much looking forward to bringing this into my classroom.